Life is full of unexpected twists and turns. Sometimes, we find ourselves having to shift gears and change directions in a moment's notice. When faced with these magical shifts in life, it's important to stay flexible and open to new possibilities. Embrace the change and trust that it will lead you to where you are meant to be. Instead of resisting the inevitable, choose to see it as an opportunity for growth and transformation. Adaptability is key when navigating life's unexpected turns. Remember, you have the power to create your own path and shape your destiny. Trust in your intuition and follow your heart towards a new direction. Embrace the unknown with courage and optimism. Embrace the journey and allow yourself to be guided by the magic of change. Trust that everything happens for a reason, and have faith that the universe has a plan for you. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more magical insights and inspiration.